Go. We're on the record in calls number 325520, the state of Texas versus Royce Allen Perry. Mr. Perry, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Perry, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Perry, you may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Perry?
Pretty good.
That's good, Mr. Perry. Um, the information that I have before me states that, or alleges that on or about October 16 of 2019, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, you were charged with a Class B misdemeanor offense of deadly conduct, displaying or discharging a weapon, which is a Class B misdemeanor. Do you understand what you've been charged with?
I was told it was disorderly conduct,
Right.
and you said deadly conduct.
No, I said disorderly conduct, display or discharge a weapon.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what you've been
Yes, sir.
charged with? And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Perry, I have before me what has been marked as, well, I have before me the judge's explanation of rights to defendants without an attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And are these your initials on the line that state, I want to waive my right to an attorney and represent myself?
Yes, sir.
And is that your signature on the line, above the line, or next to the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
Also, I have before me a waiver of counsel for purposes of entering a guilty plea or proceeding to trial. Mr. Perry, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is that your signature on the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
I also have before me the misdemeanor plea admonishment, which is State's Exhibit number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And on page 2 of the same document, Mr. Perry, are these your initials?
Yes, sir.
And on page 3 of this document, Mr. Perry, is that your signature above the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document, which is titled Court's Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
There are 2 boxes that are checked at the top of this document. The first box says that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box states that you're waiving or giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Perry, prior to signing and initialing these documents, did you have an opportunity to read the documents?
Yes, sir.
And did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer State's 1?
Yes, Your Honor, the state will also offer State's Exhibit 2, which is the probable cause affidavit. I'm gonna offer that or bring that later.
Okay, but could you pull up the probable cause affidavit for him so he can have a chance to read that? Okay, we'll be in recess.